With TD Ameritrade stopping their services for non-accredited investors, a few of you guys have been asking me to make a tutorial on how you can transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to Moomoo. I got you, bro or sis. But first, just in case you do not have an account with Moomoo yet, I have a link down below which you can use to sign up. As for the sign up rewards, here's something important that you need to take note of. As you all know, there's your usual welcome rewards, where you fund your account, perform some trades, blah blah blah, and you will get some free shares, right? But then, Moomoo also just came out with another new promo for new users who want to transfer their shares in. So here's the important part. If you are a new user, you can only choose between one of the promos. For example, if you claim the welcome rewards promo, you won't be able to claim the transfer in promo. On the other hand, if you claim the transfer in promo, you won't be able to claim the welcome rewards promo. As to which promo is better, it depends. The welcome rewards promo is worth up to $730 worth of rewards. Meanwhile, the transfer in promo gives you one free Apple stock worth around $170 plus they will also waive off the commission fee for US options trading for 180 days, which usually costs 65 cents per contract and a minimum of $1.99 per order. Though, take note that there's still a platform fee. This means that if you trade a lot of options, the transfer in promo would be worth more, since you get to save on the option commission. Otherwise, the $730 welcome promo would be more worth it. There are two more things that you need to take note of. One, you are only able to transfer stocks to Moomoo. You won't be able to transfer your cash balance, options and micro-cap stocks in. Second, if you are doing an entire account transfer from TD Ameritrade before 31st December 2023, TD Ameritrade will waive off the transfer fee. And there's also no transfer fee on Moomoo's end. With that out of the way, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to transfer your stocks into Moomoo. In the app, open up the Accounts tab, choose Transfers, then Transfer Stock In, then choose US Stocks. For the broker, choose TD Ameritrade, and for the account number, you will need to log in to your TD Ameritrade account, go to Account Statement, and you will find your account number here. Copy the number over, tap Next. Here, you will need to enter in all your stocks that you own, so just do that. Once you are done, tap Next. Check through to make sure everything is correct, scroll down, then tap Submit. You will then need to contact TD Ameritrade to request for an outbound transfer. To do that, you can first click on Please View Details to get your Moomoo account information. Copy the info down or screenshot it. Then email the info to funding@tdameritrade.com.sg to request for the transfer. Once you are done, tap on the Contacted button and just wait for the transfer. The entire process should take about 3 to 15 business days to complete, during which please avoid buying or selling any stocks at TD Ameritrade to avoid any delays. Once the transfer is completed, Moomoo will let you know. So that was a super quick video on how to transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to Moomoo. Hopefully you found it useful.